You like my top-down slanted view? Very artistic. So this TV in the background has been giving a buzzing sound for now over a year. Very unpleasant to watch and listen to, and I've been too lazy to troubleshoot it. But today, you're lucky, because I'm going to troubleshoot and fix this and show you how to do this without costing a single penny, hopefully, with some blue tack. Coming up, roll the intro. Hey Nimtags and welcome, this is Ash from HealMyTech, helping you go from newbie to techie. As customary, before we continue, do your liking and subscribing if not done so yet, okay? Thank you. So this stupid TV has been giving me this buzzing, annoying noise for over a year now. Probably was there from day one. I never really paid attention, but it's become very, very apparent. And we're going to troubleshoot and fix this today. Now, before we continue with this specific one, there could be various reasons why your TV will give you a buzzing noise. And some manufacturers would recommend that there is a level of buzzing which is integrated in the normal running of a TV. And usually if you're very close to a TV and you hear a buzzing, but if you move yourself a bit far and you don't hear it, then that's normal. In my case, this wasn't the exact situation because the buzzing could be heard freaking like meters away wherever I was, so that was really annoying. Okay, now secondly, there can also be a problem with your speakers or your volume. So what I would suggest to do is turn your volume down, and if the buzzing goes away, it means there's a problem with your speakers probably, and you should look at that. Okay, this is not our problem today. And also finally, there could be a buzzing to do with a connection from your other devices connected to your TV. That could be a set-top box, it could be a DVD player, it could be even your gaming system, whatever it is. So the idea to eliminate the other possibilities like just a connection problem, unplug everything from the TV and then start connecting things back one at a time. So if you hear the buzzing noise coming back of the specific plugging, then you know that's what's causing the problem. But usually these can be helped. Okay, in our situation today, this is not the case. We've got a mechanical problem, so we're going to go inside to troubleshoot and fix this, hopefully. Okay, so this is the Seiki SE40FO04UK. Now, just to remind you, if you've got any doubts about fixing any electronics, there is always an element of danger, so please consult a professional if you're not too sure, because this is for educational purpose. I don't want to be responsible for you having problems. Okay, so unplug your TV, and these TVs, the screw system is a bit nonsense because there are about 4 types of screws. Let me show you because I've already undone them. There is 1, 2, 3, and there's a 4th type of screw in there. Okay, so some TVs, they will have only one kind of standard size screws all around, so it's a lot easier to dismount. But for this one, make sure you either mark them or draw a diagram, or somehow make sure you know which screw is going where, because it's going to be a pain in the butt to put them back together. Now, first off, mine has a stand and 6 screws, so I took them off. Standard screwdriver, Phillips. For this model, you're gonna have to remove these 2 side ones first. Okay, so they are held in by some screws there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that comes off. Same thing on the other side. 4 screws. Please remember to mark them, and you know where the screws are going. All right. Then you've got these screws, which are indicated by M. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I think that's about it. Oh, 8 here, right? So remove them, and also there are screws around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think just about 5 on this side. Okay. But the point is, if you see screws, just remove them, because the back cover will come off as long as all the screws are removed. Now, when you remove the back cover, there is a plug which connects to the speakers on the side, so be careful when you remove them. You're gonna have to just kind of gently lift up and then pull up and look for the wire. hope you can see the wire in there. So you need to disconnect that. All right. And then you can remove the cover. Okay, but the power cord is kind of stuck inside of it. So what you need to do is to disconnect the power cable from here and then slide that off. So then the whole thing comes off and you can work with that. So what we're going to do now is pull this through. And now the back cover is completely off. And put that away. To troubleshoot this, we're gonna have to put the plug back in and turn it on. So be careful at this stage, please. Now these kind of TVs only come with one main AV board. Okay, I'm gonna try and get you to hear the noise a bit closer this time. I mean, to me, it sounds like it's coming more from this transformer, this yellow coil type thingy. Okay, it's a transformer, and it's probably a problem of a casing issue. Now, usually, if it's not tightened properly, it will do this stuff. It's not a fault, it's more of a nuisance. Okay, so one trick is to use a pencil and touch components where you think the vibration is coming from, and you can even listen to it quite close to your ear, and where the component is making the most vibration and the most noise, then that's the one that's going to be the issue. So let's turn it on again. By the way, we're using a pencil, you know, because obviously this is electrical, so mind you, don't use anything that will conduct electricity. Well, I don't think it was a success. I could still hear the buzz. Damn blue tack. Put so much blue tack on there, it looks like a mountain now. But it didn't work. I don't have the silicone putty, the plumbing putty that the manufacturers would use for this kind of crap. I don't want much in life. I just want to be able to watch something without hearing noises and sound effects which was not meant to be in there. But stupid manufacturers keep producing stupid crap and put in stupid components which don't work, and they don't give us much of chances to stupidly troubleshoot and repair them. Now that transformer, you can't find that. I tried. You have to contact the manufacturer, which by the way, I've sent them an email to ask about what the heck is wrong with this nonsense. And I've also found the board on eBay. You could always try to get the board from eBay, but the board could have the same problem. The board costs about £20. I'll put the link in the description and show you probably some B-roll footage. You know how you guys like the B-roll footage. This is YouTube. But it looks like this was an unsuccessful repair. But it was a successful troubleshoot. So maybe I'll change the title of the video. So, lesson. Don't buy cheap crap. If you do buy something, day one, just open the heck out of it and look at every part and contact the manufacturer. Send an email. Ask them. List down every component. Take pictures. Take a video. Say, look, all these components in there. If they fail, are you guaranteeing that you're going to send me a replacement? Can I find the replacement? How much does it cost? And if they don't respond to you within 28 days of you purchasing, then return that bad boy. You don't need big screen. Your phone will do. I'm signing out. You know what to do down below. Subscribe, like, comment. And I do apologize. This was not a successful repair, but at least you know what the problem is, so you can take your precautions, unlike me. Now, I've got to sell this bad boy with a disclaimer. If you want to buy from me, get in touch with me. Otherwise, I'm getting myself a bigger screen. 4K. That's what we want. 4K. Beautiful, gorgeous 4K. This was Ash from HealMyTech, helping you go from newbie to techie. Until next time, peace out.